Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very super simple and pretty slimline card to share with you. This card took me no time at all to make. It only has a few colours, it's very simple and comes together so quickly. Let me show you how I made it. Now this is the slimline die set that I have, the one with the little flaps. And today I'm using it with a bunch of Lawn Fawn stamps, all Christmas themed, and some cute Christmas paper. This is one of many sheets of Christmas paper that I have just received in a whole bunch of paper pads that I purchased by Die Cuts with a View. Once I had cut my slimline background, I then cut those little flaps right into it. I scored along the lines, prepping them for whatever cute little pictures I was going to put behind them. I then started to stamp out my images. I knew I really wanted to use these Christmas cookies under one of the flaps, so I started with them. I then also thought a mug would be really cute, filled with hot chocolate or hot cocoa, whatever you would pick. Plus it seemed to go really well with the cookies. I then decorated the mug with this adorable little scarf. I'm not really good with these kind of stamps. Lining them up isn't really my strong point. If I stamp them and then cut them out and stick them on, I never have a problem, but lining them up's really tricky. So my little scarf is a little bit off, but I do try to fix it. Here I am colouring all of these in. I'm sticking to a super simple colour scheme for this. I'm using brown for the cookies because they probably wouldn't look great if they were grey, but I thought just keeping it to simple browns, reds, whites and greys would just make everything work really well together. It would just be very visually appealing, having minimal colours and having everything tie in and work well with that pattern paper. Before I leave you to my colouring, I have a little confession to make. This is not my first slimline card. I've made another one and it's probably my favourite card that I have ever made, but I can't show you it yet. I'm saving it for the Lawn Fawn fans winter hop, which is coming up really quick. For those who don't know, I'm part of a seasonal hop. I was very lucky to be found within hours of my very first video that I had ever posted by the lovely Carrie Rhodes. And she got me into this amazing group of crafters who just love Lawn Fawn as much as I do. And so once a season we do a YouTube hop. And the projects that come out of this are amazing. So I hope you'll subscribe and stick around for that. It's coming on the 3rd of December, so it's really not that far away, which is a terrifying thought, thinking we're that close to December. And I'm really excited to share that one with you. So although this is the first of my slimline cards you'll see, it's really not the first one I've made, but I hope you'll love it just the same. I'll leave you with a little bit of music while I finish colouring these in. Now that all of that colouring was done, it was time to move on to the decorations on the front of the card. I decided that I wanted these to look like little presents, and I really feel like I have seen something very similar to this, maybe on Pinterest, maybe on Instagram, but I couldn't find the card that has inspired this, or at least the one that I think exists that inspired this. So if this is looking familiar to you, please don't hesitate to comment below who made the card or where I can find it so that I can credit the crafter who originally had the idea. I just can't find it anywhere. I really wanted these to look like little presents, so I've just used some plain red cardstock and crossed it over the front of them. And as you can see, I've used the die to cut some of them so that they fit nicely on that little piece of the flap where you lift it up, just to tidy things up a bit. I also cut some little bows, and I added some of these white gold flecks to make them all shimmery because they were looking a little bit too much like a flag. I wanted one of the little scenes under these flaps to be the two little snowmen, but it was looking a little bit bare. I wanted them to be holding something or have other items in that little scene. One of my friends was over at the time and she said, why not have one hold a cookie and the other hold up mug with marshmallows, because that's what I've got going under the other two flaps. And it was genius and worked perfectly. So here I am colouring them in to match the bigger versions. It was then time to start assembling this card. Like I said, everything with this one came together super quick. So here I am gluing down that main piece with the flaps onto another piece of grey cardstock. This cardstock came from the same paper pad, which meant it was the perfect shade of grey. I then started adding all of my little images under those flaps. Once I had adhered the present pieces onto the front, I then used some foam squares on the backs of these bows to give them some dimension, and it turned out perfectly. I'm really happy with how they look on the front. It was then time to add some double-sided tape to the back of this whole thing and stick it onto a slimline card base. I made my own out of some cardstock. Just before I adhered the front onto the card base, I decided I would stamp my sentiment on the inside, just in case I managed to get it wonky or something and would have to redo it. I didn't want my beautiful card front to be stuck on yet. So I chose sending warm wishes for a happy holiday season. And that was the last step before finishing off this card. I would love to know what you think about this card. Do you like slimline cards? Have you jumped on the slimline train? I really enjoy making them. They're so cute. And this one I think turned out really nice. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I have so many more cute Christmas things to show you and that amazing hop coming up in just a couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.